What it do, what it is, what's good, what's poppin'? It's your boy Warren, aka C Deep, and I'm back in here with another video. I'm talking about to get straight into it, you know, it ain't time to talk about much. We got this nigga Gherbo out here in the jungle somewhere. You know, niggas from the hood don't do shit like that. My nigga on the boat like, I'm scared. I'm scared. Hey, niggas from the hood is not kayak, coyote, whatever the fuck that thing called. You know what I'm saying? The little boat, the little woods and stuff that they got, like woods together, little logs, and then it's tied up. Yeah, I would have been scared too. Messing with this new chick, she got this nigga doing all type of crazy shit. Boy, she just trying to outdo Ari, whatever her name is. Ari out here living her best life. She done been with 5, 6 niggas, poured up with 2 niggas at once and everything else. My nigga Gherbo out here though, he living. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't got too much to say. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all watch this video. And y'all tell me what y'all think. I'm about to upload 1,000 videos about nothing because I ain't got nothing to talk about. So I'm just about to talk about everything. But y'all go ahead, like, comment, hey, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You know? Peace.
I'm lost right now, y'all. I don't know where I'm at. I'm in the middle of the jungle. On a canoe. I'm so scared right now.
Blaze up in India, little but me talawa. Ganja me smoke and out over off them girl ya. Blaze up me chalwa.
Alright, okay, alright, I ain't stuck. There's people right here. I'm stuck with attitude.
Yes.
She always mad at me. Look, y'all. Yeah, man. These them new products these bitches just dropped. Them new waterproof products on phone now. You know the vibes, Taina finna crash. Doing, she got us finna go into the wall, y'all. Babe, steer straight. Okay. There you go. Okay. Ain't. Oh, I guess we would have been close to him. I ain't know. He's phoning right there.
Can you stop talking to me? I'm making a video.
Oh, fuck that video, bro.
Bro.
I don't care.
This is my life. This is my life, guys. I'm trying to have peace.
You trying to have peace and you the one be doing all the shit.
Okay.
Early days. The big one to eat from and the small one to drink from. And again, a part of it make medicine for asthma.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
I'm coming, my dear.
Oh, okay. He's carving a cup.
I'm coming up, man. Rules along. Yes, ma'am.
Ooh, look what he just made. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's fire. That's
How
fire.
did he literally just did this while I was
Yeah, I was just
rowing the
listening to him.
boat.
I didn't know what he was doing. That's hard.
Wow. This is so nice.
Yes, my dear. That's what we all make, you know. Each captain make their own. Guys, and I don't want you to fall in love. I want you guys to stand in love.
Stand in love.
Stand in love.
Yes.
Love will never fall.